pristine beaches and crystal clear waters of the Caribbean may be unrivaled the world over. Nearly
Massive waves of seaweed called Sargassum washing up on shore
2 million from
day
other countries,
after day.
including Europe and Canada. But all of that is now under threat.
It's
from a
washing
new
ashore once
manifestation
again,
of a
affecting the
changing
eastern
planet.
and southern coast of Barbados, the Sargassum seaweed.
Not what I was expecting.
The last few months it has been smelling kind of weird.
It is a crisis stretching across the Caribbean with no end in sight.
Dealing with the Sargassum situation is nobody's core business, and this is what has happened. That we get very, very concerned when we see all of these tidal waves of Sargassum coming out to the shores.
We cannot allow that to happen.
Entiendo que es una solución a un problema que es nacional, que no tan solo República Dominicana, como dije en mis palabras, sino de todo Centroamérica y toda el área del Caribe.
It's the butterfly effect.
The problem is that everybody talks and talks and talks that something has to be done.
We've been talking about problems like climate change or global warming now for more than 20 years.
The people in charge in different countries has to make a decision and say, hey, enough is enough, let's stop. Not for us, but for the future generation.
But sometimes you need that shake.
Every year we're going to see more sargassum on the seashore. It will grow, it will produce more and more and more.
Sargassum have lately been a big issue. Sometimes we go to the beach to surf and it's not even possible.
It's all sargassum mass. When you look at the beach, it's just packed with beaches.
The environment is like a huge system that everything is connected. So if you have waste problems, you have energy problems, you have greenhouse gas emission problems, so everything is connected.
The wake-up call has to be, come on guys, let's everyone get together. We have to make this work, and the best way to do it is to find an industrial use for Sargassum.
Every work in this field, if it is not financially and commercially feasible, will not work.
So finding a solution for this is very, very important.
You know, when it feels right, you don't ask questions. When I saw the way Sargassum problem was being treated, and with my over 20 years of experience in treating and recycling of waste, I immediately understood this is not the optimal solution.
It's the first time a real commercial and scientific project is answering this Sargassum crisis on a real level.
The holistic approach that we are offering is dealing with waste, with water treatment, is dealing with Sargassum in a way that we can turn it into biogas and then electricity.
Small group, small team, well focused on what we want to do, bridged that gap from theory, from talking, into the real practical work of doing.
In order to achieve the best solution, we brought together the greatest mind, resources, Maof team of professionals, which are leaders in their field. We established collaboration with APEC University in the Dominican Republic, with Grupo Punta Cana, with the great team of Alginova, with the Tec Monterrey University from Mexico, with Eco Services, with the Energia, even from the United Nations. We had great support. It was amazing.
We're gonna fight one of the most unexpected phenomena of climate change and be the pioneers of fighting this phenomenon and winning it.
We work together, and this is not going to happen.
We have to involve governments, we have to involve local people, we have to involve partner universities to start working in collaboration among different sectors in Mexico and different countries, universities and companies.
En sinergia, el sector público, el sector privado, la universidad, la empresa israelí, en este caso Maof, el grupo Punta Cana, Alginova, que es quien está ahora mismo junto con Grupo Punta Cana recolectando los sargassos.
Together now with the Israeli technology of being able to transform the sargassum into biogas and produce electricity, it is a win-win.
Sustainable environmental project should have financial feasibility. That's the only way to make sure this kind of initiatives will last through time.
60,000 tons per year of sargassum, which we are processing into two mainly products. One of them is 1 megawatt of electricity, which is about the consumption of 1,000 households per year. Second thing we are producing is compost, approximately 20,000 tons per year.
One step is the experimental part, where we are going to justify our ideas, how the solution can be solved, and also later on, based on that, go and expand the program to larger systems that will solve the problem, but also will be profitable.
It works very, very simply, just like our stomach, okay? What we do is we put waste here inside, organic waste. It stays in this big place, in this big tank, which is full with water currently. The microbes digest it, and it produces the gas that comes out of here. And you can see the yellow pipe that is going over there into the stove. After 15 days, it becomes stable. It becomes something you can put back into the nature and to feed the plants.
We are working now on experimental test in order to find the optimal blend between sargassum and organic waste, municipal solid waste, agricultural waste, cow manure. Once we'll find this optimal blend, we will start and establish a 1 megawatt facility that will produce electricity. My vision is that once this project is successful, we will replicate it across the Caribbean and provide our knowledge, experience, and expertise in the field of waste management and wastewater.
Taking the seaweed, solving the problem of the seaweed, taking the organic waste on the other hand, mixing them together, producing gas, producing green energy, all this will be absolutely fantastic.
We will start loading it with different mixtures. We can tell you what is the best blend between sargassum and organic waste to create the largest amount of energy altogether.
So really here we have the key, the clue to find solution which is really very, very much significant.
We build a structure to understand how to start from it, to understand the business in order to progress.
We put our heart, we put our mind, we put our time, we put our money. We put all the resources that we have available to solve the problem, not only for us, but for everybody.
We are here really to make this world a better place.
In a few years I can come here to Dominican Republic again with my family and then can show a beautiful beach, a beautiful island.
I see a future where we are around this industry and leading in the treatment of it, having lots of products, having lots of people who have jobs from this thing.
I do really believe that what we do in universities is to seed for the future, not just in terms of people, but also in terms of technology and goods for the people.
We are talking about a project which has a financial feasibility, generate green energy for the benefit of tourism and the local energy market, protect public health, create jobs. Actually, we are talking about an impact investment opportunity of a lifetime. And my team and I are here to make it a reality.
Very interesting mixture of the Israeli chutzpah, the Israeli initiative, the Israeli ability to push things forward and to motivate people.
I'm proud to work on this, and I'm happy to work here and happy to look for solutions.
Our passion to make a real impact on people's lives turned to be viral. I'm really excited to see again and again the enthusiastic support that we get all over.